up for like that.
Hey guys,
For what? That.
drink water.
It's not free
Wait,
water.
so like it is free water.
So, anyway, so I was on the train and someone full bottles in my car on the train, and they were battling each other in Russian.
Male model? No, female model.
And I was really jealous because they were all like taller than me, and they probably weighed like your weight. I was all like Sammy model.
We go to like
Well,
Modell's.
they're taller than me and they weigh my weight.
But they're taller than me and they weigh your weight, and I was like, damn. Are you still recording this?
And so, they're not normal.
That's true. They're
You just
aliens.
ruined the
They're
video.
in a factory in Russia. And a couple in Brazil. There's a small factory in Brazil. There's a big one in Russia.
Oh, you know that really pretty girl, Adriana Lima or something? She's from Brazil. She's cool.
Yeah, so
She had a breast. By that I meant yeah.
Okay.
Can we go?
I don't think I'd ever do that.
Wait, did
It's
you
called
catch the
Modell's too.
motion I made?
And I like Modell's
As
better.
flat chested as I am, I don't think I'd ever
No,
do that. Because
I don't really
everything.
care about the flat
Dr.
chest thing. No, the like,
Augmentation.
yes,
We'll think
that.
about it, and then
No,
we'll
no,
Modell.
like not what? Oh my god!
Can I have a sip of water, one of you?
Just go get free
I
water
just
from
filled it
outside.
up. No, I just filled it up with that water.
So it's cold.
Home. It's so exciting. Wait, how does this go? You guys, it's a cone. It's a, yeah, it has to make texture. Why? It's the other way around if you want to have anal sex. No, ew. We should get full on face. Oh. Wait, turn around and be like, this is the director. I meant turn around, big
This is the director.
so drunk, you guys.
This is the water.
She really is. Like,
Are you really?
I am really.
okay, so today I had this